Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two reveals that I want to share with you and I'm very excited about them. But before I get started with that, I do want to spend just a brief moment addressing the tragedy that occurred in South Florida. You're probably aware of the shooting that occurred at Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida. That is very close to where I live. I don't personally know anybody that was affected in the shooting. However, as a mother, as a citizen of this country, as a human being, I am greatly affected by what has occurred. And I know this is a luxury channel and this is probably not the place to talk about it, but I'm not going to get political about the situation. I just want to say that it is time that we do something. We do live in the greatest country in the world, the United States of America, but we need to make some changes in many areas. It is not just one area problem. We must do something. We cannot allow our children to continue to be slaughtered while they are in school. No parent should have to be going through the nightmare that these parents are going through, and the families of the staff that were killed and injured should not have to be going through this either. So I just wanted to take a moment and say that I can't in good conscience just talk about this reveal and not even mention what's happening in my backyard. So I just wanted to say that. I hope that we are all called to some sort of action because it affects all of us. We all live in this country. We all have children or parents or cousins or nephews, nieces, sisters, and brothers. So I hope that for once we do something. This has to stop. 18 shootings since January 2018 is too much. We're better than this. Thank you. All right, let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel, and for those of you that already know me, thanks for coming back. Today I have two reveals to share with you. I have had both items for some time, but I have not used them. I did open them. So I want to share with you this and this. These are my two items. So we're going to start with the smallest item. This item was purchased at the Chanel boutique in West Palm Beach. I have a wonderful SA there. His name is Quincy, and I'll leave his information down below. I've never personally been to that boutique. I've done everything through text message, which is very convenient. But anyway, I had seen this item on Instagram. I had seen this item on the Chanel Addicted Buy, Sell, and Chat group. And I thought it was super cute, wanted to add it to my collection, even though I didn't really have a bag that I would use it for, because I really wanted it for, I really wanted this to use with a Chanel bag, which if you know me, you know that I have the small boy in pink, but that's not what I wanted to use this for. Anyhow, I figured eventually I'm gonna get something off of my wish list and I'm gonna use it. So I went ahead and ordered it. So let's go ahead and get started. It was beautifully packed. It had the camellia, it had the ribbon, all beautiful, but I opened it. So let's get started. Inside we have the beautiful dust bag, which says Chanel on the front. Inside is the care booklet. And just so you know, I do get the receipt via email also. I actually purchased this November 14th, 2017. I know, craziness. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna open up the dust bag to reveal the super cute card holder. It is in the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. And as you can see, it still has the plastic over it because, like I told you, I ordered it in November, received it probably a few days after. It usually takes like 2 days or the next day. And here it is. And I have yet to use it. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at it. I really wanted the one that has the pocket in the back, but I haven't been able to find it. So I decided just to go ahead and get this one. So it's in the black caviar leather. And you open it. Inside it says Chanel right there. And it has a little slip pocket right here in the front where you can put credit cards or your driver's license, etc. Inside is the authenticity card. And inside, basically, it has the beautiful burgundy lining. And it's really just this big open compartment where you can put credit cards, cash, etc. So if you see on the side, it can hold a lot. I'm going to go ahead and do what fits in here, but right now I just wanted to show it to you because it has been in the box since November, and it's about time that this little cutie sees the light of day. So this is called the Chanel O Cardholder, and I'm going to go ahead and link the information down below. So once I open the second box, you will know why I got this, but pretty much I purchased this in preparation of the next item that I knew I was going to get sometime in 2018. I just didn't know when I was going to get it. So this first item is the Chanel O Cardholder in the black caviar leather with the beautiful gold tone hardware, which I absolutely love. But I will give you my thoughts on this item once I use it. I've never put anything in here. I don't plan on putting coins on here. I don't like to put coins in any of my wallets. I have the round coin case from Louis Vuitton, and that's where I keep my coins. But I am going to use this to put credit cards and possibly some cash. So that's the first item, and I'm excited about it. Hopefully now I can finally use it now that I've shared it with you. And let's go ahead and move on to the second item. So first of all, here's the second item in this box. Let me tell you a little bit about this second item. It is on my wish list. So if you have seen my 2018 wish list, this is one of the items. I was unsure as to if I wanted this one or another one. So that's a hint. That gives you a hint of what this could be. And in the end, I decided to get this one. So let's go ahead and let me show you what this is, and then I'll tell you where I got it and how I got it. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. Again, I've already opened this. This also, here's the ribbon. Here's the paper. Here's the bag and the dust bag. Okay. And let me just show you what it is, and then we'll go over what else is in the box. So, off of my wish list, what did I get? This is the Chanel medium large in the black caviar leather with the gold hardware. Here she is. So if you watched my 2018 wish list, you know that I was torn between the medium large or the jumbo. I had tried on the jumbo and I really, really loved it. I thought it looked great, but I also liked the medium large. I knew that I was not going to be able to get both of them, and I knew that I had to make a decision. So in the end, I decided to get the medium large. I am going to do a what fits in my bag once I use this. I have not used this bag ever since I bought it. It has been waiting in the dust bag for me to be able to film this video. But anyhow, I decided obviously on the medium large. I wanted it with the gold hardware. I knew that. So here she is, absolutely gorgeous. Now, this one I actually purchased in January. So hence why I have not used the card holder. I purchased the card holder knowing that eventually I was going to buy the jumbo or I was going to buy the medium large, and I just kind of wanted to have the card holder because I do like to kind of match my wallet sometimes. But anyway, this came up on January 11th. This is a pre-loved item. I purchased it from a seller that I have purchased before, and she is in the Chanel Addicted Buy, Sell, and Chat group that I love and that I have talked about on many, many occasions. So I have purchased, this is probably the third bag that I purchased from her, I believe. And bottom line is this came up. This is a Series 19 bag, so it is from 2014. It is in the black caviar leather. It has the gold hardware that I wanted. And one of the most important things to me about purchasing this item pre-loved was that I wanted it to be full package. So I wanted it to be in excellent condition. I wanted it to have the box. I wanted it to have the receipt. I wanted it to have the authenticity card. I wanted it to have the care booklet, etc. And this has everything. I will share that with you in a moment. Let's go ahead and just kind of look at her. So she opens up and she has the double flap. As you can see, she is in wonderful condition. Let me try and show you even her right here. And I'm sorry, the lighting is always either too bright or not bright enough or whatever. But there it is. And here's the flap. I have her stuff. Let me just take this out. She was made in France, which is something else that I wanted. And she's got the beautiful burgundy interior. As you can tell, she has no marks on her, no scratches. She is in really immaculate Sorry, I was so upset with everything that has happened. I didn't realize I did not finish recording the conclusion of the video. See you next time.